Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Razorpay and Klaviyo. So the use case here is, whenever an invoice is paid in Razorpay, automatically add subscriber in Klaviyo. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Razorpay is an online payment gateway, whereas Klaviyo is an email marketing platform. The issue here is that Razorpay and Klaviyo don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help us to transfer data from Razorpay to Klaviyo. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I will go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here, and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign into our account, so I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow, and I am going to name it as Razorpay integrations. Okay, now I'm going to create this workflow. Okay, so now here in choose app, first I am going to choose Razorpay. Okay, now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever an invoice is paid in Razorpay will be our trigger event over here. You can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So here I am going to click on invoice paid because this is what is our trigger event. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when an invoice is paid in Razorpay will be our trigger event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see this term called webhook URL. So what is webhook? Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Razorpay in our case. So here you can carefully read the instructions written over here. You can just follow them. So now I'm going to go to my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay account, and the first thing that you have to decide is that you have to choose which mode are you using. Is it test mode or is it live mode? I am going to use this in test mode. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to go to your left hand side, and here you can see settings. Okay, so this is the settings, and here you can see webhooks. So in webhooks, I am going to add new webhook. So here in webhook URL, you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to just paste it over here. Okay, secret and alert email, if you want, you can just fill these fields. I am going to leave it blank. Now in active events, when we go back to Pabbly Connect, you can read the instruction. Select invoice paid from active event section. So here we have to select invoice paid. That is this one. Okay, now I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on create webhook. Okay, so our webhook has been saved successfully. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to capture the webhook response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to do an invoice payment in Razorpay. So I'm going to go back to Razorpay. And here you can see invoices. So I'm going to click on invoices. So before doing a payment of invoice, first we have to create an invoice. So I'm going to click on this plus create invoice. So invoice number. Okay. here I'm going to write Razorpay integration. Okay. Now here I am going to choose a customer. So Gary Monroe is going to be our customer. Okay. Expiry date, I'll keep it as 2nd of December. Here I am going to choose an item of 100 rupees. If you want, you can add some customer notes over here. And if you want, you can also write some terms and conditions. Now I'll just go up and I'm going to finalize an issue. Issue invoice. Okay. So now here you can see we have successfully created an invoice, and now I'm going to copy the payment link and I'll open it in new tab. And now we are going to do an invoice payment for Gary Monroe of the amount 100 rupees. Proceed to pay 100. Now here you can see we have various payment methods available. You can select whichever payment method you are fine with. I am going to click on card. So here you have to enter the card details. I am going to use some test card details over here. So I'll just copy this card number and I'll paste it. Expiry date, I'm going to put 12th. Okay. CVV, pay 100. Okay, so you can see we have successfully done an invoice payment for Gary Monroe of the amount 100 rupees. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see we have got our webhook response over here. You can see invoice paid is over here, contains payment. So we have successfully finished our integration here. Okay, so now I'll go down and I'm going to click on save. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to begin with our second step integration, where we are going to integrate Klaviyo and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. Okay, so now in choose app, I am going to choose Klaviyo. Now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever an invoice is paid in Razorpay, we want to add subscriber in Klaviyo. That is why add subscriber with basic details will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have various action events available. You can select whichever action event is fine with you. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to connect with Klaviyo. Okay, create new or select existing credentials. If you have any existing credential like this, you can just click on them and you can go ahead with that. Here I am going to click on new credentials and then I'm going to show you how to get your public API key and private API key. The instruction is written over here. You can just follow them. So now I'm going to go back to my Klaviyo account. So this is my Klaviyo account and here I am going to go to my Pabbly over here and you can see account. Okay, so here you can see this settings option over here. So I'm going to click on settings and here you can see API keys. So here you can see public API key or site IDs here and private API key is also here. So here in this bracket, you can see this bold API key, that is public API key. I'm just going to copy it without the bracket and I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. Now here in private API key, I'll go back to Klaviyo. Here you can see the private API key. I'll copy it, go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. So now this public API key and private API key are going to help us to build a connection between Pabbly Connect and Klaviyo. So now I'm going to click on save. Okay. So now when you come down here, we have some fields and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response. So list. So you have some list option in your Klaviyo. If I go back to my Klaviyo account, you can see lists and segments. So here you can see I have all these lists over here. Now I want whenever an invoice is paid in Razorpay, a subscriber should be added in Klaviyo in this particular list called Razorpay integration. So I've added this list already. If you want, you can also create new list by clicking on this create list or segment button. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and here I'll let it be Razorpay integration. When you click on this, you can see the other list options are also available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. Now email. Here I'll map the email of my customer. So it is here. First name. Now I don't have the name of the customer in separate columns. That is why I'll just put the full name in the first name itself. Here. I'll leave the last name blank. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration of Razorpay and Klaviyo. Now I'll go back to Klaviyo and here we'll open the Razorpay integration. So here you can see there isn't anyone in this list because unless and until the customer accepts that he wants to be a subscriber in Klaviyo, he can't be added to the subscriber list in Klaviyo. That is why I'll go back to my customer's email and here you can see confirm your subscription. Okay, so you can see Razorpay integration, that was the name of our list, confirm your subscription. That means in order to add a subscriber in Klaviyo, first the customer has to confirm his or her subscription. So this is the email of the customer. So as soon as the customer clicks on yes, I want to subscribe, he or she will be added as a subscriber in Klaviyo. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, you have been subscribed. Now let's go back to Klaviyo. I'll just refresh this page. So now you can see Gary Monroe has been added over here because the customer herself accepted that she wanted to be a subscriber. If I click on it, you can see the other details as well. Okay, so now here our integration is successful. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. Okay, so now I'll go back to Razorpay and here I'm again going to create a new invoice. Okay, invoice 501. Here I'll write Razorpay integration. I'm going to select a customer over here. So I'll select Parker Devin 289@gmail.com. Okay, expiry date, I'll keep it as 1st December. Here I'll select the camera and the price is 30,000. Okay. If you want, you can add customer notes, terms and conditions over here. Now I'll go up, finalize an issue. Okay. Okay, so you can see we have again created an invoice over here. Now let's do a payment. Okay, I'll open it in new tab. Okay, so here we are going to do an invoice payment for Parker Devin. Proceed to pay 30,000. I'll use card again. And here I'm again going to enter the test card detail. CVV. Okay, so you can see we have successfully done an invoice payment again for Parker Devin and the amount is 30,000. So now before going to Klaviyo, first what we have to do is we have to first confirm the subscription in the customer's email. So I've already opened the customer's email over here. I'll just refresh this page. In promotions, you can see confirm your subscription. Okay, so here I'm again going to subscribe. Yes, I want to subscribe. Okay, so this customer is also added as a subscriber now. So now I'll go back to Klaviyo and I'll refresh this page. So now you can see Parker Devin with the email parkerdevin289@gmail.com has been added as a new subscriber in Klaviyo. So here we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so now in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Razorpay to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Klaviyo. So now every time an invoice is paid in Razorpay, a subscriber will be added automatically in Klaviyo. So we have successfully finished the integration of Razorpay and Klaviyo using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.